He laying in my yard. He's all lit up. Yeah, we're Hicks. We leave our Christmas lights out all year round to light up our yards. Here, I'll even show you. Flip my switch here. And these rope lights become handy ways of lighting your decks or whatever. Here doing a test for my video camera to see how well it shoots at night. I don't have the light on. Perhaps I should. I just wanted you to get perhaps an idea of what my yard is totally bare with snow. We got weather coming our way. And some pretty severe weather. As you can tell, the calm before the storm. You hear no wind, but we're going to have wind. And our ground is so dry, our water mains are, busting here in town at the residential level. That's after the main from the road. That means leading up to the house. That means it's the homeowner's responsibility to assume the bill of the repair, which is about $3,000. So just a heads up on that for people's properties who become frostbitten. In other words, your whole topsoil, subsoil, all the way down to 4 and 5 feet is frozen and is moving and cracking, and is heated up and cooled down quite rapidly. And it will cause the ground to move and your lines to snap, and because they're brittle and pressurized, and that's what's happening in my yard. I haven't had a break yet, thank goodness, and but my neighbors have, and the city has had a couple already this year. And so if you're wondering why this is happening, it's because our ground is so dry, it's kind of like freeze-dried, and so the permafrost goes all the way down deep into the ground as it cracks open. Okay, and your ground's going to move, your foundations are going to crack, your basements are, these people that are building new houses right now are just in trouble when, if we get rehydrated again, which I predict, because our total topsoil is totally dry. It would take 3 years of over average rain just to bring the moisture back. And so Iowa's been turned into a desert. Yeah. Freeze-dried desert. Kind of like, how Antarctic was a lush paradise at one time. Now it's a frozen tundra. Well, and that tundra has been blown clean because of all this, storms and the glaciers and etc. So you can't really grow anything down there, right? It's all rock. Well, that's basically, they've turned our grasslands into sand out here, I'm telling you. I don't know how the farmers are going to get by. And, coming into next spring, there's some states in this country that try to grow year-round, and the farmers out in California, because of the drought and the warmth, the avocados are confused, and they're already starting to sprout when they shouldn't be. And the avocado farmers are like, hey, listen, we're not going to have avocados. They're already $2 for $3 here in Adel, so here in Iowa. Usually they're, less than $1 a piece. Usually you can get them for $2 for $1 sometimes. Now they're $2 for $3. So if you wonder how weather confusion can affect you directly, if you like avocados, well, there you go. Like I said, I got my light down on the ground. That's where my ashtray is at. That's all my cigarette butts into. But yeah, they're chemtrailing all day today. I know I'm shooting in the dark. Shooting from the hip tonight. I'll go up on my other deck over here. And see if I can't. Clouds are kind of obstructing. We got that one star everybody's talking about over in the horizon there that rose, and we got partly cloudy skies right now, but snow is coming in from the north. And that wind is going to be right behind it, but I wanted to get a shot of the calm right now. There's like no wind. So maybe I'll come out here when the gusts are going, and the snow will be blowing, and but just thought I would kind of bring some of the details of how the air climate has been altered, and it's not your grandpa's weather anymore, you know. Iowa's not the Iowa it was 30 years ago, even 20 years ago. I've been in this state for a long time, and we have the richest soil in the world. Not anymore. It's going to take 3 years of rain. I'm telling you, our ground is dry. I've got videos of our summer, my lawn caught on fire. My lawn, okay? And it could have burnt my house. It was blowing towards my house with these high winds. Okay? So, I don't know. So I know I'm going on 6 minutes here for a little bit of a boring video. I just wanted to bring something personal to you guys. Just a little personal chat. So take care, guys.